Hello everyone, I'm Joseph from Xiaomi Villa team. I'm very happy to participate in this year's NuttX online workshop. Next, I will introduce the USB subsystem and its enhancement over the past period of time. I will focus on three key features. First, USB device. This section will introduce the USB device framework, main workflow, and USB device class. As shown in the upper right corner of the picture, the NuttX USB device framework adopts a layered architecture, mainly consisting of two parts, USB device controller driver and USB device class driver. USB device controller driver. It interacts directly with the USB device hardware controller, such as config endpoints, apply for resource. USB device class driver is used to implement standard USB class, binding with the controller, processing class requests are all in this layer. NuttX supports rich and powerful USB device class, including ADB, fastboot, CDC, RNDNS, MTP, MSC, etc. USB device now supports up to USB 3.2 protocol and support hot plug and low power management. In particular, NuttX USB supports simulation, which is very convenient for debugging and development of USB device. Next, I will introduce the main workflow of USB device, as shown in the figure on the right. After the system is powered on, the USB device needs to do initialization, bind the class driver and the USB controller, and then apply for resource, such as endpoint and request buffer. Finally, execute pull-up function to enable the connection between the device and the host. Of course, this init process can be carried out through other trigger conditions. For example, on a device with VBus detection, this process can be executed in the interrupt routine of VBus detection. After initialization, the USB host enumerates the device by communicating with endpoint 0. The flowchart on the left takes the set configuration request as an example to describe the interaction between the class driver and the controller driver. As shown in the picture on the right, this is a communication process of endpoints other than endpoint 0. This page describes how an application can detect USB device hot plug. NuttX supports the notify mechanism to monitor node change, such as creation or deletion. And most USB class driver will register nodes. Therefore, we can monitor whether there are any fields created or deleted in the USB device node to implement USB hot plug monitoring. The flowchart on the right shows the detail. Next, I will introduce several USB device classes. First, ADB class. The host can transfer files or commands to device through the ADB client. On the right is the framework diagram. We can see the endpoint nodes will be registered in the ADB class driver. The application ADBD access these nodes through LabUV and VFS. ADBD supports full service. With shell service, you can enter the N-shell environment to execute system commands. With file service, you can transfer file to or from the host. With logcat service, you can get real-time log. Socket service used to map the host port and the device port, commonly used to debug device service. ADB requires 3 endpoints. They are endpoint 0, backout endpoint, and backin endpoint. Fastboot class, mainly used to update the file system, such as download image. The host can transfer file or commands to the device through the fastboot client. Fastboot framework is the same as ADB. It supports several commands. Getvar command, used to obtain device information. Reboot command, used to restart device. Flash, erase, and download command are used to update the file system. In addition, it supports extend command, upload command, which can be used to upload files or memory. Shell command, which can execute N-shell commands. Fastboot requires 3 USB endpoints, just like ADB. CDC ECM class is widely used for debugging, log output, data transmission. The upper layer is 0. CDC ECM requires 4 endpoints. Villa team has made some enhancement to it. First, you can set it as a log channel to output logs. Second, optimize date copying. Refer to the small picture in the middle. When an application reads from CDC ECM, the date will pass through the buffer of 0. After the optimization, the application can read data directly from the USB buffer, which can significantly improve the efficiency of large-scale data communication signals. Third, when system crash, CDC ECM can be used as GDB stub channel. MTP class, used to transfer files between host and device. It requires 4 endpoints. The application MTP responder contains 5 threads. Event threads used to handle events, such as USB unplugging and object changes. USB control thread used to process endpoint 0 class request. USB read thread used to receive commands or data from the host through backout endpoint. After receiving the command will be transmitted to request handle thread. This thread processes command and then transmit the result to the write thread. Write thread uses to send date or response to the host through backend endpoint. HID class. NuttX supports user-defined HID class. This HID framework supports up to 3 endpoints. Endpoint 0 is required. Interrupt in and interrupt out endpoint are optional. Here shows a structure, HID function descriptor. With this structure, developers can implement a custom HID device by setting a report descriptor and the length information. Next is the USB host. This section will cover the USB host framework, workflow, and extensible host controller interface. As shown in the upper right corner figure, the NuttX USB host driver mainly consists of two paths: USB host controller driver and USB host class driver. USB host controller driver is related to the hardware controller, such as config endpoints, apply for resource. In the host class driver, we do perform enumeration, handle USB device hot plug event. USB host supports a variety of device classes, including BT HCI, HID, CDC, MSC, etc. USB host supports simulation and emulation. Emulation can directly identify the device on the host through XHCI, which is particularly convenient for developers to do some development or debug. USB host main workflow. After the system is powered on, register USB host class in the USB host class initialization function. After that, initialize hardware controller and create a wait thread. In the wait thread, detect the USB device plug in or out. When the wait thread detects a device connection event, it starts the enumeration process. By passing the descriptor, if it matches the registered USB host class, do some class-specific options. Then bind the host port with the class driver through the connect callback function. Once the USB class is successfully enumerated and bound to the class driver, upper layer application can read and write data through the interface provided by the class. These options automatically call the transfer function implemented by the controller driver to complete the physical data transfer. The enhancement of USB host is mainly reflected in the addition of XHCI driver. After using XHCI driver, the NuttX system can connect USB 3.2 device. Because of the extensible design of XHCI itself, it paves the way for NuttX to support future USB technologies. XHCI can be used on emulators such as QEMU, Goldfish. On emulator, you can debug USB device directly through the host XHCI. Here are a few QEMU parameters, such as mouse, keyboard, and specific VID-PID device. Future work. Villa team is developing some USB host class driver. BT-Score, which is mainly used for Bluetooth audio transmission. UVC, which is used to read video devices, such as webcams, digital camera recorders. UAC, which is used to operate audio devices, such as headsets. These features will be merged into the community next year. Okay, that's all. Thank you.